Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey. Across the front of the vehicle, it features 2 chrome stripes across the radiator grille, as well as a colour-coordinated front bumper, complete with a set of front parking sensors. There's also a set of front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke star design. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided. Towards the rear of the van, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area or boot space of the Kombi, we'll find a very spacious load area with increased storage space thanks to the long wheelbase format. Lining the floor is a rubber floor covering complete with a few lashing points, and the sides also come ply lined. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. There is a 3-seater passenger bench in the bricks woven fabric upholstery, and there's also a few isofix points. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver. Located next to this is a twin-seater passenger bench. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise features such as App Connect. The van also comes with climatic air conditioning. Further down and to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.